Welcome. In front of me is a ELEPHONE P8000 and I will show you how to access Fastboot mode. So we will need to start off by powering up the phone using the power key. Hold it to get the option to power off and then tap on it. Confirm it and wait for the phone to turn off, which will be signified by the vibration. And once it's off, we will hold power key and volume up. So power, volume up. Hold both of them together. And from here, you will see the first option is recovery mode, then you have Fastboot mode underneath that. To navigate, you will use volume up to go to the menu and volume down to confirm it. So select the second option, you can see it's the second one, and then volume down to confirm it. And right now, we are now in Fastboot mode. So this is how you access it. And if you want to leave it, you can just hold the power key till the phone turns off and then hold it once more to turn it back on normally. So I'm just gonna do that to show you. Okay, it's off, and now once more to turn it back on. And we'll be turning back on normally. So that is how you access Fastboot mode and also leave it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.